Next is now we are going to finally start designing our site. So in here, you want to go into the home section. And now you would want to click here on design site on the top right. And now in here, we will now have the choice to generate a design with AI or customize a template. So personally, I don't like AI because as I have tested it earlier, it doesn't really work that great. So I'm just going to go with the customize a template where we'd have more freedom and basically it would have less work because it's already pre-built. But the thing here is in templates is that you want to choose the appropriate template for you because each of this template is made for different niches, for different purposes. So make sure it blends well with your niche and your brand. So in the case, I am selling a jewelry. So I'm in the jewelry niche. So in here, you could use the filters in here to find a template that would actually be suitable for you. So here you can go into the store since we are in e-commerce. So we are here in the e-commerce filter. And now I'm going to go for jewelry specifically. And now I would now have templates right here that would be more appropriate for my store. So you can just choose the style. Don't judge yet based on the colors because we can just change that later on. Just go for the styles, the placements, and so on. So that's what you should be looking for when you are looking for a template in here. So in my case, I'll just go for this one right here. I like how minimalist it is, and it is actually selling some jewelries in here. So I'm going to click here on view if you'd like to preview the template first. But if you'd want to edit it right away or you are already sure, you can click here on edit. Now we can start designing our site in here or our template. So now, once it's loaded, you should now be able to see this pop up in here, wherein you could add some details about your site. So I recommend that you do this so that you'd have some sample text in here in your template that would actually be appropriate for your store. Anyways, if you don't like the result, then you can just change it later on. So in here, I'm just going to type in, my store is a jewelry online store that has products that is all handmade. This store is based on the Philippines, just for an example right there. So I think that's good as a starting point. Click here on generate site text, and now it's going to create the text for the site. So that's it. And as you can see, I'm currently too zoomed out. So you could just click here on the zoom icon right here so that you'll be able to zoom in into 100% on the site. So this is how it's going to look like. As you can see with this template, it's very bare and minimalist. So this is the current homepage in here. So now I'm just going to discuss the settings here above first. So here you have the site. So this is where you could save, preview, get a feedback, or publish your site. And here in the settings, you could connect the domain, get the mailbox, and some other settings in here on your website. You have your dev mode and then your help section. And then you have the upgrade button, save, preview, and publish. Next is the navigation page. So this is where you'd be able to see the pages in your website, like the locations, about, the contact, wish list, subscriptions. This is for the members area. So if you are running a membership feature here, wherein you have the login feature in your website, you can just manage it here. And in your store pages, like the product page is here. So you can view your product page if you want to. It's currently loading. So this is how it looks like. And from here, you can edit it. So this is your navigation page. Next is that you have the desktop view and then the mobile view, which is really useful if you'd want to also optimize your site for the mobile view. So in my case, I'll just skip this one right here. And now I'm going to go back in here into the domain. So in here, you can connect your domain if you'd want to. So in my case, I'm satisfied with this domain right here. But if you'd want a custom one, so let's say you have upgraded your plan, then you can absolutely get your own domain or connect your own domain if you already have one. Next is that we have the undo and redo button, and then we have the zoom out feature or option in here. You can click on that, and this is also where you'd be able to rearrange your sections. So in my case, since I already have one, so I can do that as of the moment, but we'll be using this feature later on so that I can show you guys. So I'm just going to zoom back into 100%, and then you have some tools in here like your toolbar, layers, rules, guidelines, and so on. So these are your guidelines in here. And then you can also search for a feature or tool here in the editor that you need to find. So if you have some trouble in finding it, this is where you can do it. And you have some AI tools in here that you could use. So you could get new text, full section in seconds, and redesign your site theme if you want to. And you have this one right here where you can see the layers in your page. So that's it for the options in here. And then we now have these options here on the left side. So we can add elements, add a section, pages and menus, site design, add apps, my businesses, media, and CMS. So basically, we'll be discussing that as we build our site.